Hi, welcome to JavaScript applications. So in the previous tutorial, we have created a JFrame and a button, and we have worked with the action event. So right now we can continue with that application itself. So here in this tutorial, we have created a button which will be registered with the action listener. Once the button is clicked, the action performed will be called. So if I will be having one more button. So this is button 1 and this is button 2. I'll rename that one. So here also I need to change, and I need to change here, I need to change here. So here I am going to instantiate that button 2 submit, and I'm gonna go for this as a reset, and this will be the button 2. And here I am not registering this button, just go for one simple clarification here. If I am not registering the button with the action listener, then see what will happen. Alright, of course I got the button, so but I have not added this button right now, the second button. I need to add the button to JBTN2, and again compile the application and run the application. I got the two buttons will be fixed in the screen. Right now I will click on the submit. I will get the same output. You click submit in the previous tutorial, we got the same output. Right now it is also same. And if I click on reset, nothing will going to happen. So even if I will be having action listener implemented and action perform method has been overridden. So here, but the thing is, I am not registered this JBTN2 with the action listener. So registering the buttons or the whatever it is, the buttons or the any component with the event with the type of the listener is very important. So here I need to register again JBTN2 and action list in of this listener, and say this. Close this button, come here, compile and execute. So when I click on submit, of course I will be getting you click submit. When I click on reset, of course you click reset. So but what if I will be having different output for different buttons? Here only the action command is going here. I need to separate these two buttons in the action performance. So I need to catch which button has got the event right now. Okay. So to do that, I need to go for if a dot get action command. I need to go for the action command dot equals to. So this is a method which is there in the object class. Within double quote, I must go for dot equals to. So that is called, it has to exactly match the case that was used in this constructor. Submit. At this time I will going to do system.out.println. Submitted. And yes, or if again I can go for if a dot get action command dot equals to, I'm gonna go for reset. Okay, so that is reset. That's it. So this is a simple application in which the action perform method will be catching an event for different components. So that components will be tested here. So using their action command, whether it is submit or reset. If it is submit, then the output will be submitted. If it is reset, then the output will be reset. That means if I click on the submit, then the output will be this. If I click on reset, then the output will be this one. So this is how the component will be tested with the different action commands. Save this and run this application. Come to know what is the difference between previous and this one. Okay, if I click on submit, show I got the submitted. If I can click on reset, show I got the reset. Okay, this is how the events are used in a Java application. And one more thing, so instead of action command, we can refer the object of the class. So here the JBTN1 and JBTN2 are the object of the class JButton. So we can refer them also. a.getSource using this command, getSource dot equals to. Okay, so if the source is equal to JBTN1, that means the source which was listening the event right now must be equal to JBTN1 and the source that equals to JBTN2. So we can go for this one also. a.getSource, it's spell mistake, is there? Okay, let's fix it. a.getSource. Say this, compile, execute, and again the output here. And if I submit, reset. Okay, so this is another way of differentiating the components which got the events. So using getSource and using the getAction command. So this is what actually the action event with the buttons. So in the next tutorial we can see more concept on Java X.Swing application.